Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Edmonton. The local time is 10:21. Due to the possibility of a quick turn or sudden stop, we ask and require that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your carry-on luggage stowed until the aircraft has been parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off, indicating that it is safe for you to stand. Please take caution when open overhead bins as items may have shifted during the flight, and please take all personal belongings with you. We'd like to remind you that smoking is only permitted once outside the terminal and in a designated smoking area. Here in Edmonton, a Westjet customer service agent will lead the flight to assist you with any questions or concerns. On behalf of Westjet, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. If Edmonton's home, welcome home. If not, have a pleasant stay in the area or wherever your final destination may be.